Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce data usage on Netflix app. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix app, open it of course, and after that click on My Netflix. After that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on App Settings, and after that, go to Cellular Data Usage, the first option. You have to turn off Automatic and choose the second option, which is Save Data. And like that, you will reduce data usage on Netflix app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.